Hi, I'm Dino Villagran. I'm an assistant professor here at UTB in the Department of Chemistry. So in my lab, we're interested in multi-electron redox chemistry. And multi-electron redox chemistry are processes in which one or two electrons are transferred from one place to another. So the research that we're trying to do is we're trying to synthesize materials that allow us to make those type of reactions. So one of the most important problems that we have currently is the energy problem. We need to find ways, alternative sources of energy to the hydrocarbon fuels that the world is used to. So what we need to do is we need to understand the basic chemistry of energy conversion, and our work attempts to solve those problems. So as you can see in the lab, we are mainly a synthetic lab, so you will be learning synthetic techniques. And there are several techniques that people can utilize. Many of those that we do in here are air sensitive. In other words, we try to get oxygen and water out of our reaction vessels, and for that matter we have instruments like this, a glove box, where air and water are removed away. We work on problems of energy conversion. One of the problems that the world is facing is an energy crisis, and we are trying to understand the basic chemistry of energy conversion, specifically studying multi-electron redox chemistry. In other words, events in where one or two electrons are transferred from one compound to another, and in the basis of energy conversion. So we're synthetic, an electrochemical and spectroscopic lab. So we will do synthesis, electrochemistry and synthesis. Among the techniques that we will utilize in synthesis will be synthetic techniques that are anaerobic. In other words, we try to get water and oxygen out of our reactions. We will teach you, or we'll teach electrochemical techniques and spectroscopic techniques such as electronic spectroscopy, paramagnetic spectroscopy, infrared spectroscopy, among others. So you will get a rigorous training in the scientific method. So you will learn chemistry at the deepest level, you will learn synthetic techniques at the deepest level, and you will learn spectroscopic and electrochemical techniques thoroughly. So in the same way that I just mentioned before, you will have a rigorous scientific training, and that is important for your future in biomedical techniques. You will learn how to be a scientist and how to do research in the most efficient and correct way possible.